quite a heavy door frame, and put 3 hinges into place to keep it secure. Obviously mark it out with the tape measure to keep it accurate. One in the middle, one part way on either side. My plan is to chisel down the side there, chisel on the top, chisel down there, then make some small chisel cuts across there, then reverse my chisel, acts like a scoop to remove any waste that's left. I always use a bradawl to find the centre of the hole first. Then I use the drill, and then I fasten the screws into the hole that I've created. The bradawl finds the very centre of the hole, and it means I'm less likely to go out of centre, and it means the screws will fit in better.